Hello, I'm Hugh Alban, landscape photographer and Sigma creator. Welcome back to the landscape. Yes, I've got my glasses on. I've got my glasses on because I'm trying to watch the LCD screen. Oh, I am liking that. So, what have we got today? A dull, dreary day. It's actually just started to drizzle with rain, which, to be fair, was forecast. So I might have to make this one a quick one. Now, I'm just going to spin you round to show you the conditions and also what is it that I've seen. And I've got terrible hair. Now then, what's caught my eye today is the patterns that are in the sea as it surges forward. You might be able to see on the video camera there's lots of pretty little rocks. Hang on a sec. There's lots of pretty little rocks out there. Well, they're not very pretty, they're pretty ugly, but the way in which they are interacting with the sea, and can you see where it crisscrosses as well? I'm really liking that pattern. What I'm waiting for is for an interesting shape to come up the beach and, create some interest to be photographed. Now, if I come back, hopefully you can see my tripod there. Now, my tripod is as tall as it can possibly be so that I can look down on my subject. There we go, there's my camera there. You can see the angle of the camera's angled downwards. No filters apart from a polarizer to actually show up the surf a bit more clearly. And I am taking a bit of a risk because the tripod is more or less at the edge of the surf line, and but the tide's on its way out. So what I am finding is I'm chasing the tide line, and in fact I think I need to get a little bit closer, so I'm going to do that. If I can show you the back of my camera. So there's my composition. Nothing particularly sparkling. I've minimized the sky because the sky is boring and uninteresting. And I'm now, just waiting for something to appear in the foreground. What I have noticed actually is that, so that's the sort of thing that I'm getting. I'm sorry the view's not brilliant, but I've noticed that the, where are we? Right hand side of the frame is relatively empty. So if I move to the left and come forward, ooh, that nearly swamped me. However, oh my God, run away, run away. No, right, okay. Yes, having done that, I've now got this hand side of the frame and that hand side of the frame a little bit more involved. I'm going to have to refocus, which I've just done. So yeah, technically, nothing much going on with the camera. Polarizer, just to take the glare off the water. So I'm just going to check because I've moved. Yeah, it'll do. I'm minimizing the sky, as you hopefully saw, because the sky is boring and uninteresting. I've also got the wide angle on, which I think is more or less at 16mm. Yes, it is. So let's see if we can see there it is. My 16-28, my brand new 16-28 actually. This is probably its first serious outing. And what I'm now waiting for is that shape in the foreground. And I've still got this crisscross, which I really, really like. And now the sun's trying to poke through. That's a turner. It'd be quite nice because it might dry the drizzle off my camera. The other thing just to consider technically is I am not using a 2-second timer. Hopefully it's pretty self-explanatory as to why, because I just want to grab the moment as it happens. See, that's no good, because the shape isn't far enough up the beach. It's only coming partially up the beach. I need it fully up the beach. So I need to wait for that magic wave. Come on. There is one tip to pull out of today. It's that subjects like this, they're not a one-trick pony. There's actually 2 images there, not just one. Oh, here it comes. Here comes the line of the surf. Bang. And now we get it moving away from us. You know that thing I was saying about the the right-hand side not having much in it? It's happened again. Right, so I'm just going to reposition myself, sort out my frame, sort out my focus. Happy. Right. There I am. Right, let's capture some more frames. So one other lesson that I've picked up is it's definitely worth watching the line of the tide, because, as I've already mentioned, the tide's on its way out. Clearly it's interacting with those rocks out in the distance, and as the water moves back, the lines in the tide that we get are also changing. Now, those patterns that were the initial draw, they're not quite so strong anymore. I don't know why. It's probably the way that the beach shelves, and again, probably the influence of those rocks. So I've moved my position ever so slightly, so that now I'm looking at more of a diagonal line moving through the frame. Those rocks are still there. I think they need to be there, because I think they are actually influencing what's going on. But now I'm looking at a much more of a diagonal line running through the frame, which is fun. And I'm trying to go for the same thing, trying to have as much interest as possible in the frame. So I'm leaving it as late as I dare. I mean, that one probably would have been perfect, but I was too busy talking to you. But yeah, I'm leaving it as late as I dare to try and get as much of a line as possible. I took that one. Let me just show you the composition quickly, if I can. There you go. Now you can see the composition much more clearly. And clearly, you know, I will show you the resultant pictures. But again, I'm keeping the sky to the absolute minimum because it's not really doing a huge amount, and waiting for that lovely line to appear. And I've taken loads and loads of images, and obviously I need to pick the ones that are most representative. Oh, maybe. Also, the sun's come out up there. So that also means I'm having to be very, very careful with the histogram, and making sure that I don't get any blown highlights. Right, let's take a few more images and I'll show you the best ones. So the energy, in the sea and in the waves has definitely dissipated. I'm finding I'm having to move forward more and more and more and more, which is a little bit of a risk. And also the waves, the surf, the original attraction of standing here and trying to create these images, it's eased off. I think the moment has passed and now it's time to move on. So I'm going to leave this video here. I'm walking backwards because the surf's heading towards me. I'm going to leave this video here. I'm going to say a big thank you to everybody for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel. If you've enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up. Right, I think breakfast is calling. I'm getting a bit thin in the middle, as my photo buddy would say. So yes, I'm off to go and find some breakfast. Everybody take care, stay safe, look after each other. Until next time, cheerio for now.